Hi viewers, welcome to NSC Trading. Actually, after a long time, I'm posting this video by the way. So first of all, I like to thank the subscribers who made this channel alive. And why I'm telling made this channel alive means I haven't posted this video for a long time by the way. uh, Even though I didn't post it, the subscribers are coming into the channel and they are subscribing continuously. And I understood most of the subscribers went out already by the way. So the reason is I didn't post any videos. I have posted only few videos, and I like to post videos, but I couldn't find the time to fill it up actually. That's the reason. So I feel like now I have 998 subscribers now, so I feel like I have to post the video regularly, even at least regularly, to post a video. Even if I cannot post the video on a daily basis, I have to post the video on regular basis actually. So I'll try to post the video on regular basis as of now, from now onwards. Due to the current COVID scenario, all the stocks in the stock market is not performing well. We all know the reasons, but still we can go and choose the right stock and go for the investment for the long term as well as the short term. Like if you are going for the short term, you can use the systematic investment plan, and if you are going for the long term, choose the right stock as a which have the zero debt. And there are a lot of factors actually. This is the company I am going to speak about now, Dwarki Sugar Industries Limited. Dwarki Sugar Industries Limited is a company which is primarily engaged in manufacture of sugar and allied products. The company is also involved in the production of power and ethanol, industrial alcohol and sanitizers actually. And this company have zero debt. The debt which is having this for this company is zero. So whatever or however the stock is performing, you can truly trust on this company and you can invest it. These are the products Dwarki Sugar Industries are producing now: sugar, power, ethanol, and sanitizers. And most of the sugar industries are now concentrating or started to produce the ethanol and the sanitizers now, because the byproducts of the sugar is the ethanol, so they can make use of it. And this is the price level of Dwarki Sugar Industries right now. It is trading at 26.40 during the last trading session, and it has the 52-week high of 42 and 52-week low of 13.35, and it gives only 1.14 percentage of returns in the. So I feel the stock will jump more in the upward side, and we have the good forecast for the stock. As for the recommendations by the analyst ratings, three analysts have given 100% rating to buy the stock. This is a positive news for the stock, and this is the holdings of the company. Promoter is having 42.0% stock in this share in this stock. So mutual fund, they have increased in March 2020, and from 2.64 in December 2019 to 3.32 in March 2020, and now they are maintaining it actually. And foreign investors, they have also increased their holdings here. In December 2019 it's 0, and March 2020 0.02 percentage, and June they have increased to 0.05 percentage. Domestic investors, they have reduced from 3.64 to 3.44. This is the peer value comparison of the stocks: Dwarki Sugar Industries, EID Perry, Balrampur Chini, Sri Renuka Sugars. All when we are seeing about all these peer companies, the RSI is showing a signal for this stock actually now. 30.43 is the value for the 14 days period. So it's a positive sign to buy the stock. And now we are going for the forecast. This is the price forecast for the stock, and we are forecasting like 62.46 percentage expected return from current price level. So this for we have categorized into low, medium, and high. The low, at least we will have in a year, in the next year we will have 41.67 percentage, and we have the maximum of 105 percentage. The stock might have double actually in 2021. Revenue for the stock is also in the positive side. expected revenue growth of 34.22% for next year. And this is the revenue forecast for the earnings here. Yeah, expected earning growth is also increased. Expected earning growth of 99.33% for next year. It's also a great positive news for the stock. And this is the negative side for this particular stock actually. Profit after tax. If you're seeing here, in March 2016 they have the profit after tax of 38.97. In March 2017 they have 156.10, but in March 2018 it is gradually decreasing actually. So 101.45, in March 2019 95.11, and in March 2020 73.45%, 73.45 crores. So the profit after tax is reducing now. I feel the profit after tax in March 2021 or March 2021 it will increase when we are comparing to the March 2020. This is the dividends of the stock. In August 2017 it gave the dividend of 10 per share. It's a high amount actually. In August 2017 it gave 10 per share. In August 2018 it didn't give any shares. In 2019 1, and in 2020 also rupees 1 per share. It's more or like it's giving around 4 to 5 percentage as per the current trading price. Over rupees 1, which currently it's trading at 26, so it's almost like 3 to 5 percentage. As a overall review, we can say we can go for the long term investment for the stock, and if you are going for the short term we can use SIP method and invest in it. So it's a safe to play in this stock. This is the overall review of the company. As an overall review, I can say for the long term you can go for the stock, and for the short term, if you are investing, you can go for the short term, and you can use SIP method when you are entering into the short term. By the way, okay. And if you have any comments or suggestions, you can drop it in the comment box. And if you need any other further informations to be added on this analysis, I can add it in my videos actually, further videos. If you want me to post any other video which you want to have analysis, I can post a video on that as well. Just drop it in the comment box. Thanks for watching this channel. Please subscribe, post a comment and share this video. Thank you.